let's move to the next diagramming. So within this video, I tried to put 1.2, 1.3 all together because they are talking the participant declaration all together. So they just talking is one is the standard declaring, and the secondly is how we can make them into the multi-lines. So the declaring participant is like this way. So in the last video we see from Alice and Bob, we can exchange the message each other, but we don't put any declaring. So that is Alice and Bob each in our the rectangle box. But when we do this declaring, actually we can use some built-in notations that can give some the more readability. Like its actor can be a person, and you can have a database as our the data store. So when you make this sequence diagram, is people can have more understanding is what you kind of the information you try to convey. So let's try to do that, and we will also practice 1.3 how to make those lines into the not only in the single lines. So let's do this all together. And before we move to the code, is I will update to you again is on the GitHub. Once we finish the coding and export to our PNG file, you will find here gradually we have more and more code tracking. Now we have the 01 folder already, and then within that is we have this one pair. So gradually we have more pairs of the code. At least is one per subsection. But you may see here in the 1.2, there's two codes serve on the different purpose. Then we may have 1.2.1. So that is the code sequence. Hope that can easier for you to find what are the linkage of the code. So you may see just the numbering I'm putting here. So you can cross-checking from the number to the subsection name, or you go to this reference guide to find their table of contents. So 1.2 means declaring participant. So I will not write those long name in the this file name. So then let's create that is 01, 02. So since there's a two code here, so I put that is underscore 1. So using the PlantUML. So then let's have our metadata. I don't record dates from now on, but we can record our version. So then this you can see here. See the at least you can put your the authors and let's see so version. So let's see the 1.0. So once you want to change that later, then you may have another version, 1.1, 1.2. So those are the source control. So let's say declaring if the keyword participant is used. So participant. To declare the participant, the more control on that participant is possible. So the order of declaration will be order of display. So we do this order, then we use this full to full one. Then that will be this order. So from left to right. So participant first, actor second, and we have a boundary. So all those are the keywords. So we within the PlantUML is we have these 8 different keywords. Using the other keyword is we can change the notation, the shape. So let's do this all together. First, let's have our star end, and after that is we can have participant. Within VS Code, once you have this extension, you can see you can use the tab key to have this automatically complete. So So, but here the keyword is starting just as the participate, and you can give a name is the participate. This second is starting from our capital is your defined name. So we use also another keyword as. As is the just you give Alice. So Alice is the full. So full means there's no the specific the in the left and the right is we just code that as the full. So and then you can use the ESC to do that, and we have an actor. So actor, you can just use the space, or you can use a different tab to make that is aligned on the vertical. So that is not are mandatory. So let's first try is if we don't use the S, and then let's see. So then what you need to do is you need to use this participant to actor, and use this to actor. So let me save that and make preview. So you can see here, if you don't make that as every time you need to write down these long lines. So, but if we make that as FOO, and here is FOO1, then what we can do is we can just because now is you gave participate is because you as FOO, so they don't recognize your participate and actor because they are replaced by full. So then they create something there. So and let's see. So for one, now they will replace. So you can see we have the first pair to actor. So that is the from your name. The participate is just this rectangle. So, but actor they really have our actor lines. But this actor actually is the similar is to what if you use these. These different work. So let's see. So let me see the notation. So window, model, power property, palette. This is the R key. So you can see from, let me see. So let me find our actor. So you can see, so within the Archimate tool, this actor is also our Archimate similar actor. So, but these are UML, the actors already. And then we see the boundary. It's a boundary starting from the small case is the keywords, and you can give our name is the boundary as the FOO2. And we from the full to, you can remember you can use double hyphen, then that will be our dotted line to boundary. So, but here if you don't mention that FOO2 is go to the most right edge, so you need to have the end. Then they will back to here is to boundary. Then you have the lines here. So same is let's finish this another those keywords, and control is 1, is full 3, and entity. So control is like this circle with our the rounded arrow. So entity as 4. So you see the entity is just our round with our line below that, and the database. And the collections. last is Q. So now collection is like numbers of those documents. Queue is like the message queue. So now we can have this one. So as much as possible, you can copy paste is to control. 4 is to entity. 5 database. 6 to collections to queue. So that is we have done all of these same as this one. So in the top and in the bottom, that is the by default behavior for the UML. The diagram, they put all these notations up and down, so up and down. So if you have a quite a long list of this time sequence diagram, you can both go to the header and the footer to see your those participants. So this is our first code for such kind of the keywords that we can replace through declaring the different type of the participant. And also it's rename our participant using the as keywords. We already make that. And you can also change the background color of actor all participate. This is quite interesting because that is already touch base on the style. So with those style, you can make your diagram into more colorful way. So let's go to another one. So create this 01, 02, number 2. So from here, let's go to, so if we want to make that, is let's copy our metadata. So still this one, so it's the start UML and UML. And what this one is, we have our Bob, Alice exchange some data, info message, and here is another participant. If you see this just a rectangle, it's just no need to specify declaring, it's just a participant. So that means it's the first, let's make is actor. So Bob is an actor. Alice should be an actor as well. So and we use this pound, then that you can give our the color. So red color, use the ESC so that it's not give the auto gas for that. So you can see Bob, the red is only go to the head. So if we see here is I want this the blue. So you can see here, and maybe it's, to me is Alice also our actor. So Alice can be red. So now I have two actors, and then here this single code is the comments. We already used that to define our metadata. So the only difference between actor and the participant is the drawing. And the here is used the participant as Alice. So let's use the actor, and we have our line. The box is participate. You can use this, and you don't need to give our name, but you just write down a string. So I have really use this /n, then you can make our enter. So long name. Otherwise, this will have quite long. So that is follow some the very easy way. So and SL. And here you can give this the color code. So 99FF99. So that is light green. So, and then with here, you can also declare participant L as. So we can put L in the left as this one. So that is the same. So participant L. So let me see if I put this, what will be happen. Maybe it's, let me make her M. So you can see the same is participant this as L, participant M as this one. So for the this UML, I think is that this syntax actually gave me some the mislead, because I try to use this one because this is follow the similar these orders. First, this is actual my contents in the this participate, and then I gave our name is a short name. Name is used to indicate on the code. But if I use this way, I may thought is this I should use when I make the code, not L. So you just need to understand is you can use both way, but try to use one standard way for fitting your the daily work. I think that will be enough. So let's we have the Alice. So you remember is if you have the Alice go to Bob is for increase those readabilities. We learned this from earlier. Is we can use this way. So the different direction of the arrows. So then Bob. So let's here is the Bob get message from Alice. So authentication request, and then the Bob return. So response. So response we use this dotted line. And then Bob write our log to our L. So it's a log transaction. Oh, I use a bot. So that is create another one. So that is not what I want. So this one now you can see. I suggest is if you know the directions and you keep its readability better, and make the left actor always in the left and change this arrow direction. So compared to this one, now is you may have an easier way to mapping to your diagram. So that is this second one is you can make the color to your the participates. Simply use this prompt, these keywords, and then this use either is the color name or the color code. So with the color code, now you can have the unlimited color you can set. So that is this second one. And let's just make another quick is you can declare. So let's see, you can use the order keywords to customize the display order. So display order is a participate is we have the keywords. So the 30, 20, 10. So they will order that from the lowest to the highest. So maybe it's I don't create this simply. I just see is I want Bob in the second. So let's see, I will use order. Use 10, 20, 30, I think is one kind of the, I think it's just the recommended way. Is you can use 1, 2, 3, but once you want to insert or participate between 1 and 2, then it will be more changes. So normally in the coding is we use certain ways. I use 100, 200. Then it's good have enough room between them. Is you can insert some additional element. So that is just our the good practice. So you can see. So now is let me see. So I want this one. So let's see what happened. and here. So maybe I put this order 5. Arrow found this syntax. So I cannot put that before the color, I think. Yeah, you can see here. That's also our good learning. So, so that is the add and the UML, and then you put is you need put order before color. So that is the thing. Now you can see here. Even this is not what I want, but this is the a way that you can have this text box first because it's order 5. Now is I put that order 30 and Alice now is the lowest, so Alice is the first. Now let's put that 20. So if both 20, I think is they come to this line by line order. So now it's get to 10. So that is no change for that. But I just wanted to combine these two code altogether here. And let's create the third one. So 0103 dot PlantUML. Then you can declare participant a multiline. Multiline means you use these square parentheses. Then you can have the different titles and subtitles or the contents into the different lines. So let me see here. So first, let's copy this. So what I do is participate. So just the code that is participate is the like give our paint. So you can see here is a pair of this square, the parentheses. So now if you define nothing, is here is the empty. So if I have a title and with our line, so if you have this one hyphen, it's just a hyphen. So if two hyphen is the same, so that is when you have 4, then this coming to our horizontal line. Just to compare to the different language, I think is when you learn more language, you make see the kind of the differentiation. If you work on the Markdown, so Markdown is 3 hyphen. Already decide our horizontal line, but in the UML, you need to have these 4 hyphens altogether. Then this subtitle. So now there's no style, but the default style is if you use our equal line, it will be the bold. So and here is if I have, let me see what's that mean for one pair of the here. So it's nothing. If I have 2 pairs, it's getting the type of the another style of the font. So we will learn that in later parts. We have a lot of the practice about the styles, so no worry for that. And then there's we have maybe we use actor. So whenever we see our person, we can use our actor. And then from the participate, just ensure is when you go to the participate, you are referring to the name. Let's go to let's see here, you can see the double line. So actually you can keep adding those, the content. So you can have almost our paragraph. And remember is, I think let's try to see here. If I do this n, second line is not, if I put that as our string. No. It's not like this number 2. So here you can have this a name of this counter enter, but here you don't have that enter. But what I can do here is just you can treat this as our text paragraph. So you don't need this the /n. You just do the enter directly. So now you can see you can even write down our long paragraph contents and use that to as our participant to communicate. So here I think we can go to the reference QA, so 15232. So let's see how we can get that. Is this in the QA? No. I think it's this one, reference QA. I will try to find out where is the source of this and update you in the next video. So hope is you now know how to do the declaring on your participant through these 3 samples. Before the closing is let's practice our export. So select the number 1 and use the Control-Shift-P and go to this one and choose the PNG. So it will generate the file. So I see, so 001, no valid diagram found. So let me see here. Yeah, so here let's go to, this is our number 1, and you select here and you need to come double click and click your code. Then they recognize that as active 1. So now it's the number 2, come to this one, go to the code part. So now I have all of our 3 parts, and I will select and move that into here. Then every code you have are paired the pictures generated. So see you in the next video. So we will now move to another part. It's just to make a small grouping. Is we see how to use a non-letter in participant, and maybe we together with this message to self and the text alignment all together. So see you in the next video. Bye for now.